Hi friends. In this video we will know about a different method of earning or making money online. Here I am saying different method because before this video, I have already told you about few popular methods of making money from internet, or online, anything whatever you like to say. If you did not watch those videos, please go and watch those videos on this channel, or you can find those video links in the description below. So, today in this video we are going to know about affiliate marketing, which is one of the most popular form of digital marketing. This method is relevant for both business owners and individuals who are interested in making money online through promoting other people's products and services. Before starting, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so that you never miss out our latest videos. And if you find this video valuable, please give a like and share with your friends and family. Alright, let's get started. Affiliate marketing, in its simplest form, is a performance-based marketing model where a business rewards affiliates for each customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing effort. It will done through a unique affiliate link created by the business and promotes by various methods such as displaying a banner on website or writing blog posts about that product or service. Whenever a customer clicks on the affiliate link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a percentage of the sell price as commission. This commission structure is one of the most attractive aspects of this marketing model. Affiliate marketers can earn anywhere from a few percent to over 50% commission on each sale they generate. The exact commission amount varies based on the agreement between affiliate and the business. Generally, this commission structure is negotiable, which depends on factors such as the type of product or service that affiliate promotes and the amount of sales that affiliate can generate. Now if we look at the benefits of affiliate marketing, it's 50-50 for both business owners and affiliate marketers. So, firstly we know about business owners' benefits, then we will know what benefits will affiliate marketers get. So, starting with businesses' benefits. It is an effective way to reach new customers. Affiliates can bring in customers that you may not have been able to reach. This is because affiliates often have a large and engaged audience that trusts their recommendations. Additionally, it is a cost-effective marketing solution. Unlike traditional forms of advertising, you do not need to pay affiliates until a sale has been made. This eliminates the risk of paying for advertising that does not result in any sales. It also means that you can save on marketing costs, as affiliates typically handle the marketing aspect of promoting the product or service. Now let's move on to the benefits for affiliates. Firstly, affiliate marketing offers a flexible way to make money online. By this method or way, you can promote products and services at your own pace, without the need to worry about creating or stocking your own products. Additionally, it offers a low-risk way to start a business where there is no need to invest in product development, storage, or shipping. You can start promoting products and services right away and begin earning commissions immediately. Another benefit of affiliate marketing is the ability to earn passive income, because of the reason you have to promote products and services only once, and you will continue to earn commissions from those promotions for months or even years to come. This is because the affiliate link remains active even after the initial promotion, allowing you to earn commissions from any subsequent sales. In order to maximize the benefits of affiliate marketing, it is important for both businesses and affiliates to have clear and open communication. Businesses should provide affiliates with the necessary resources and support to effectively promote their products and services. On the other hand, affiliates should communicate their needs and goals to the business in order to establish a mutually beneficial relationship. Overall, affiliate marketing is a valuable and widely used form of digital marketing that can offer significant benefits for both businesses and affiliates. Whether you are a business owner looking to expand your customer base or an individual looking to make money online, affiliate marketing is definitely worth exploring as a potential opportunity. Thank you for watching this video. I hope information in this video has been helpful, and I wish you all the best as you explore your options for making money online. If you have any questions or queries, don't hesitate, feel free to comment down below.